My name's Kevin Henson. I am the Senior Service Line Director over Surgery and Anesthesia Services. My son just had surgery with Dr. Parker on Thursday. Skiing out in Utah, and he had a shoulder injury that Dr. Parker repaired on Thursday morning, and he's recovering nicely and back in school. He is at a leading medical school in the Southeast, and he was on a wait list. He couldn't get in, and I called Dr. Parker and said, hey, my 25-year-old son is in need of surgery. He's got an injured shoulder, and Dr. Parker saw him immediately, and we drove 5 hours to Boone from a major city, and he had surgery, and he could not be more pleased with the outcome, and Dr. Parker did a great job. So my last born child had surgery here with AppOrtho, and he's doing great.